Hi everyone, welcome to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're diving into a topic that's full of joy and excitement: English vocabulary for holidays and celebrations.
Whether it's a birthday, a national holiday, or a festive season, celebrations bring people together.
And knowing the right words will help you talk about your favorite traditions, events, and memories in English.
So let's get started and make your holiday conversations amazing.
Alex, before we learn specific vocabulary, let's talk about different types of celebrations.
Good idea. Celebrations can be grouped into categories. Personal celebrations, like birthdays, weddings, and anniversaries. Religious festivals, such as Christmas, Eid, Diwali, and Hanukkah. National holidays, like Independence Day, Thanksgiving, or New Year's Day.
Oh, and don't forget seasonal celebrations, like Halloween or spring festivals.
Absolutely. Now let's learn vocabulary for each type.
Let's start with personal celebrations. Alex, what are some common events?
Birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and anniversaries are popular. Here's some vocabulary. Birthday party, a gathering to celebrate someone's birth. Cake, a sweet dessert often served at celebrations. Gift/present, something you give to someone. Invitation, a card or message inviting someone to a celebration.
For example, I sent out invitations for my birthday party.
Exactly.
Don't forget phrases like, Happy birthday, congratulations for weddings or new babies.
Great points, Emma. Now let's move on to religious festivals. These celebrations often have unique traditions.
Can we start with Christmas?
Sure. For Christmas, common words include Christmas tree, a decorated tree for the holiday. Santa Claus, a legendary figure who brings gifts. Carols, songs sung during Christmas.
For Eid, people might say, Eid Mubarak, a greeting meaning blessed Eid. Feast, a large meal. Charity/zakat, giving to those in need.
And for Diwali, lights/lamps, symbolizing victory of light over darkness. Rangoli, patterns made with colored powder. Sweets, treats shared during the festival.
These words help us talk about global celebrations. Now, let's talk about national holidays. Alex, what are some examples?
In the US, there's Thanksgiving. Common words include turkey, the main dish of the meal. Gratitude, being thankful. Parade, a public celebration with music and floats.
And for Independence Day, people use words like fireworks, bright displays in the sky. Patriotism, love for your country. Barbecue, outdoor grilling of food.
In the UK, bonfire night is famous with words like bonfire, a large outdoor fire. Sparklers, small handheld fireworks.
Amazing examples, Alex. Knowing vocabulary is great, but phrases help you sound more natural.
Absolutely. Here are some. What are your plans for the holidays? How do you celebrate event? Happy holiday name.
You can also say, I'm excited about the New Year's party. We're hosting a family dinner for Thanksgiving.
These phrases work in everyday conversations.
Alex, how can we describe holiday traditions?
Use sentences like, we always decorate the house for Christmas. During Eid, we visit relatives and share gifts. On Diwali, we light candles and enjoy sweets.
Traditions often include specific activities, so remember to use action verbs like celebrate, light, eat, or share.
Great tip. Now let's practice. I'll ask questions and you try answering. What's your favorite holiday? How do you celebrate your birthday? What do people do during New Year's?
Write your answers in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your celebrations. Let's share some fun idioms related to celebrations.
Sure. Paint the town red, to celebrate energetically. Have a blast, to have a great time. The life of the party, the most entertaining person at an event. The life of the party, the most entertaining person at an event. That's all for today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning about English vocabulary for holidays and celebrations.
Remember to use these words and phrases in your conversations.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics for more helpful lessons.